My name is Philip De Lange. I'm the owner of Draadkar Mining and Retrolex Mining. I've been in the business now for, well, what's it, 13, 14 years. Well, the JD Links app that I've got on my phone, you know, it's available 24 hours a day. I'm getting messages sent from the machines as they work at night because we are a 24-hour operation. So the JD Link sends me warnings when there's over temperature, you know, over engine temperature. If my guys loosen his seat belts, I get those warnings sent to my phone. So for me, that's amazing. You know, there's no other brand available that's got those type of software currently in our market. So for me, the JD Link is an amazing tool to have. Reliability, service. The name itself says it all. You know, John Deere has been around the world for how many years? So it's a no-brainer. If you want the proper product that won't drop you, you need to buy John Deere.